Hey all, Will Healy here. Have you heard the joke the track and field athletes always tell? Oh yeah, the kids always throw it around like it's a kind of running joke. And the most annoying part is everyone's jumping at the opportunity to tell it. How about three puns in one joke, huh? Okay, on Tuesday, I've got a great opportunity for education, entertainment, and automation at the Balluff Decathlon virtual event with interactive exhibits, remote access to our real-world smart factory in Poland, and on-demand educational videos. We're going to have all kinds of great content. In addition to this, we will be live streaming 10 head-to-head discussions with yours truly as one of the combatants. The truly interactive exhibits will allow you to get firsthand experience with sensor and networking applications, kind of in virtual reality with common machines and equipment, so you can look for technologies in action and see how they work in the process. During the live stream, we're going to discuss RFID versus vision traceability, automatic versus manual inventory management, IO-Link data sets, process versus service data. We're going to have an interview with Heller Machine Tool talking about milling turning machines and automation on those. Rotary encoders, magnetic versus optical, sensor parameterization, how should you do it? Data engineering, on-premise versus off-premise, where should you store your data? Industrial communication, wireless versus wired, that's always a good battle. Modern maintenance, predictive maintenance versus condition monitoring, I'm going to be doing that one, should be a good battle with Tom Knauer. And photoelectric sensing, range versus precision, and I've heard that's pretty entertaining too. So, the showcase of the live stream will be a virtual dive into our real-world smart factory, Poland, and how to realize your own smart factory step by step. The equipment is modern and truly connected, so much so that remote access is available to anyone who logs into the system. I'll drop a registration link in the comments. Be sure to join us on Tuesday, October 26th on our virtual platform. If you can't make it that day, the event will be available on demand for a few weeks after that as well. Until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?